Alright, today we're going to show you the importance of using a sub-panel before you install any battery pack in your home. Now, traditionally in your home, you're going to have a main panel, which will contain all your breakers. What we did here to showcase how this works is that the breakers that powered up the rooms were initially on this panel here, but we moved them over to the sub-panel to wire up into your home. Now, this sub-panel is wired up to a generator port, which can be used to connect our Walrus or any other battery pack that you might be using. This is going to be super important for people going off-grid or people who are grid-tied to be able to get their home wired up to a battery pack. So just to show you what we did here, this sub-panel now has the breakers that should usually be on your main electrical panel. They've been moved here and wired up to our home, which is wired up to this generator port. This generator port can connect to your battery, or in our case, our Walrus, which will take the power in, go through these breakers, and then back into your home, right? What we left off of this was actually our central AC unit. We kept that here because we all know the central AC does draw a lot of power. So to make sure it's safe, we have that still connected to our main electrical panel here, but all the other breakers that should have been here have been moved now to our sub panel to be able to be powered through our battery. Now, to recap, once again, we have the Walrus here, and we're using our main electrical panel here to take AC power into our Walrus. It gets processed in here using our inverter and storing it into our battery. Now, to get the power out, to help you save on electricity bills and wire and power up your home, we're using the other side, the AC output here, to wire it up to our generator port, which is wired to our sub panel and wired up to our entire home.